Good morning. My name is Aryan Pruth. I study in class 7th. Today's assembly topic is Janmashtami. Shri Krishna Janmashtami is one of the holiest festivals for the people belonging to Hindu religion. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Krishna. This, this festival is observed on 8th day of Krishna Paksha in the month of Bhadrapad. As per Hindu calendar, Janmashtami is also known as Gokulashtami, Krishnashtami, Sri Jayanti. Janmashtami is famous for Dahi Handi in Maharashtra. Janmashtami is marked by grand celebration at Krishna temples across India. The Janmashtami of the Mathura and Vrindavan, the place where Lord Krishna had spent his childhood, are famous all over the world. The festival itself is preceded by a day-long fast that is broken at the midnight, the time when Krishna is believed to have been born. Devotional songs and dances mark the celebration of this festive occasion all over the northern India. Thank you and Jai Shri Krishna.